I got a front door kid in my house.
What's up? It's your boy Shabon the Hoochie Ha.
It's your boy Gamer Harold.
Damn.
You got the intro?
It's Bree Chamberlain out here. Yeah, you know what's going on. Oh, it's not. Let me tilt this up a little bit.
I thought you was about to start it over.
Nah.
Alright, so we just take it from the top?
Yeah.
Improv.
And today, we're doing another Oreo test tasting video.
Oreo.
What's the flavor?
Anyways, it's chocolate marshmallow.
Oreo.
Chocolate marshmallow.
S'mores. This is the same as s'mores.
I think so too.
It's gonna taste just like the s'mores Oreo.
And it's family size. Circumcised. But yeah. We about to try
Monetized.
You and your father relationship demonetized.
Oh, you have one.
Anyways. Gotta open this junk.
2 hours later.
I want to get half in this junk real quick.
Smell like all chocolate. I don't smell no marshmallows.
Don't put your breath on it.
Ew, it smells like a reek.
Smell like my pussy, nigga. But yeah, anyways.
You'll get us cut off.
Demonetized.
Anyways, I can go and grab that junk.
You're not even in the video.
Yeah, chill out, boy. Anyways, that's the narrator.
Hello.
Damn hot, bro.
Oh.
Anyways, we about to try this junk. Oh, snap. We got to get the milk. I forgot.
Oh.
Hold on, where's the white at?
Huh? What? It's beef. What?
Where's the white at? With the marshmallows? Is marshmallows now white?
Is everything okay at home?
The cream is normally white anyway.
Anyway.
Hurry up, man. Fucking up. This is aggressive.
Anyways, just give me like 30 seconds.
Well, I'm gonna give it a review without the milk. If he hurt his punk ass up.
He's not even in the video. That's the wild thing about it.
But yeah, anyways, we're gonna try it with and without milk. I forgot to get the cups and the milk. But yeah, we're gonna try it without the milk.
A little bit no, because I eat cereal and my family eats cereal too. I'm just saying, you know. I'm just saying, like, don't kill it. Oh, y'all tasted it.
Yeah, we been said that.
Oh, good.
Like, this joint look like dog doo from right here. Y'all see that junk?
This some good dookie.
That's what I'm saying. This junk good though. It don't taste like s'mores, but it's still good.
This is good.
It tastes like straight chocolate. I don't even taste the marshmallow.
I do a little bit.
I don't.
Now we gotta get the milk.
You know, bomb.
It's cool. Hello, milk con.
The leche.
Anyways,
Hello, milk con.
chill out. Or?
Leche.
Alright, just a little bit, you know. Now after this one, we gotta mix it with Sprite.
Why didn't you just stop it at the middle way? So we can use all the count for all the cookies.
How about no? You freaking whore. Now grab your milk. You freaking whore.
Yes,
Not your slut. Damn, fatty, hold on. Let us finish the video first. Damn.
Like a raccoon.
I get it in the milky.
I ain't even grabbed my cookie yet. I don't know what's going on in this household right now on the first floor on the Thursday morning. Cheated up. Like, that's like
It's Friday.
It's Friday.
And it's not even morning.
Dumbass niggas.
That's exactly what I voted for Trump. People like him. But yeah.
Brian, don't get us blocked.
Block? That's my man's.
Wow.
It's like, no.
This don't good.
But yeah, I ain't tried with milk yet because they distracted me.
I just did. It's good.
Just better.
No, I didn't try it. He already did it. Anyways,
So what had happened was
I had a phone call, so it blocked the video, and I had to start a part 2. So
Say it with me, guys. Dumbass. Dumbass.
so we're back and we're more chocolate than ever.
Oh wait, I think that's it. This stuff is good though. It
Oh,
don't
yeah.
taste like s'mores though. It
We
don't taste
just
like s'mores.
we just didn't give out ratings in our social media that y'all probably or probably did not follow, that y'all should follow.
But
hit
it's
that
doing
like
good though. I
button.
get it on the 10.
I
Because I
give
love
it
chocolate.
8.
Shut up. I ain't done. Because I love chocolate.
10.
But you go ahead.
I give it an 8.
Oh, yeah.
Too much
For Naruto?
chocolate.
10-10?
No, I just can't. Hit that like button though.
Right now. And
Right
drop
now.
your social security number.
I think he meant social media.
That too. Anyways, catch us on the next video. And I need your license plate number too.
Sony right.
He finally cut his hair.
I don't got no hair.
No, not him.
Oh, okay.
The John
And
Station
the
in the back.
ladies love it.
What ladies?
Why you gotta remind me of my lonely life?
Anyways,
Remember to brush your teeth.
then you was talking about the person that came that wasn't in the video? Oh, but yeah, anyways, catch us on the next video. Even though I said this like 5 times already.
Just say it with me.
Dumbass.
Peace out.
I can say it with you. You need a toothbrush.
Game